Welcome to the Chan Biker Radar. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2025, the Harley Davidson X440. This bike marks an exciting evolution for the iconic American brand. With a blend of modern technology and classic Harley style, the X440 is set to appeal to a new generation of riders while retaining the essence of Harley's legendary performance. Design. The 2025 Harley Davidson X440 showcases a striking design that bridges the gap between retro charm and contemporary aesthetics. With its muscular stance, minimalistic lines, and bold tank, the X440 stands out on the road. The bike is built with precision, featuring a compact frame and streamlined bodywork that gives it a unique, aggressive presence. Its updated LED lighting system, paired with sharp contours, gives it a futuristic look. The X440 carries a modern twist on Harley's traditional styling, offering a perfect balance of classic and cutting-edge design. Performance. Under the hood, the Harley Davidson X440 is powered by a 440cc liquid-cooled engine, a first for the brand in this segment. The engine is engineered for smooth, responsive performance with an emphasis on both power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open highway, the X440 promises a thrilling ride with impressive torque and acceleration. The bike features an upgraded suspension system designed for enhanced handling and comfort. The lightweight frame, combined with advanced braking technology, ensures stability and control, making the X440 perfect for both novice and experienced riders alike. Technology. Harley Davidson has integrated advanced technology into the X440 to cater to today's connected rider. The bike comes equipped with a digital display, providing real-time information about speed, fuel, and engine diagnostics. Additionally, smartphone connectivity allows riders to sync their devices for navigation, music, and calls. The X440 also includes safety features like ABS, traction control, and ride modes, making it an ideal choice for riders who prioritize both performance and security. These modern features, paired with Harley's time-tested engineering, create a seamless riding experience. Customization. As with any Harley Davidson, the X440 offers a high degree of customization. From personalized paint jobs to custom seats, handlebars, and exhaust systems, the X440 allows riders to make their bike truly unique. Harley Davidson has always been about self-expression, and the X440 is no exception. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Harley Davidson X440 is set to be a game-changer in the brand's lineup. With its bold design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, it's the perfect bike for those looking to experience the thrill of Harley Davidson in a more accessible package. Whether you're a seasoned Harley fan or a newcomer to the brand, the X440 is definitely worth keeping an eye on in 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.